Hello friends, welcome to engineering tutorial. So we'll continue our discussion on thermodynamics. So in this video we are going to discuss about the volume expansion or cubical expansion of gases. So we know that thermal expansion is basically the increase in the size or volume basically of objects, solid, liquid, gases when it is heated. So we have linear expansion, surface expansion and volume expansion. We have discussed them for solids, linear, surface and volume. Then we discussed about the volume expansion of liquids, apparent and real expansion that. So in this video we are going to discuss about the volume or cubical expansion of gases. So we know that the general reason for the thermal expansion is the increase in the amplitude of the vibration of the molecules or atoms when they are heated, which results in increase in the average interatomic separation. So that causes them to expand. And for volumetric expansion, the basic expression is that when an object, that is solid, liquid, gas, it is heated and there is a certain rise in temperature which is expressed by delta T, the increase in volume delta V is directly proportional to the initial volume, the increase in temperature, with the proportionality constant called as the coefficient of volume expansion or cubical expansion. So now here for gases we have to consider the ideal gas equation which we have discussed, which we derived from the gas laws, that is combining the gas laws, Boyle's law, Charles law and Gay-Lussac's law, and we arrived at the final expression which is given by PV is equal to nRT, where P is pressure, V is volume, T is the temperature, the three important thermodynamic variables. R is the universal gas constant, N is the number of moles of the gas. So here let's say we have a gas in a chamber and and it is ideal, okay, it is ideal, that is it obeys Boyle's law, Charles law and Gay-Lussac's law. Let's say we heat this gas at constant pressure. Then if pressure is kept constant, then volume is directly proportional to temperature, that is Charles law, okay, which gives the relationship between volume and temperature of a gas at constant pressure. So volume is directly proportional to temperature. So an increase in volume will cause an increase in temperature will cause an increase in volume, okay, that is what Charles law states. So here we are trying to establish a relationship between increase in temperature and increase in volume. That is what cubical expansion or volume expansion is all about. So let's say we have this equation, that is P delta V is equal to nR delta T, where pressure is constant. When the gas is heated, there is an increase in temperature by a factor by delta T, which causes an increase in volume delta V as per Charles law. And we divide this equation by the ideal gas equation, that is PV is equal to nRT. So that will give us this P delta V by PV is equal to nR delta T by nRT. So PP will get cancelled, okay, in both the numerator and denominator, okay, P here nR and here nR. So we will be left with this, okay, delta V by V is equal to delta T by T. Now here we can express this increase in volume as delta V is equal to 1 by T into V delta T, where V is the initial volume of the gas, okay, the initial volume of the gas. So if we compare it with the expression of volumetric expansion taking into consideration this coefficient gamma, then that is delta V is equal to gamma Vi delta T, where Vi is the initial volume. So we can write it as this: delta V is equal to gamma V delta T. But with respect to the thermodynamic variables, through ideal gas equation we arrived at this expression, okay, number 1, and this is the the coefficient of cubical expansion that way. This is equation number 2. So if we compare these two equations, then we'll see that the coefficient of cubical expansion for gases, that is equal to 1 by T, that is the reciprocal of the temperature. So here the important thing is that when a gas is heated at constant pressure, an increase in temperature causes an increase in volume, because volume is directly proportional to temperature as per Charles' law at constant pressure. So we get this expression by dividing this whole equation with the ideal gas equation, okay, and when we compare it with the volumetric expansion, that equation, that is delta V is equal to the coefficient of cubical expansion gamma, the initial volume and increase in temperature, then we get that the cubical expansion coefficient gamma is equal to the reciprocal of temperature, okay, 1 by T. So this is the coefficient of volumetric expansion for gases when they are heated at constant pressure. To establish a direct relationship between increase in temperature and increase in volume, okay, increase in temperature and increase in volume, okay. So this is the thing.